Well, we might as well log it. 7:40 a.m. January 8th. Discovered that the only way to do this legally is I have to. So I'm being forced to get a unicycle. It's the only way. They got like a 45-mile one scooter, big wheel, under 750 or 750 watt or something. But then you get the ones that are above that, way above, like 2,000, about double motor combined. And even those riding regular real world is like 20 miles, even though it's listed as 75. So even if it's flat, if they count it as like, and I don't know, you could convince them, that the motor is it's a self custom job, so there's no way it could go above the, whatever. But it would more skewed to, they wouldn't see it that way. Very possible. So yeah, there's no way. I mean, keeping it. I mean, realistically, it all gets down to foundational 20 miles. Like mine, if I simply smacked up solid tires, I could be okay. But it's even cheaper to simply buy the one that does 20 miles and already has the solid tires on it. But I'm not going to do that because that'd be redundant. Like, I'd even take this one apart, and, get the lid off and buy a second battery. But that's the redundancy of this would be, you'd be laying, it would be progressive. So, yeah, that it's a 20-mile mark. That's why the system's completely rigged. They don't want you to rise above. They keep you as slaves and servants. This is why TK with the sign. They wouldn't allow us once he was able to obtain his own building. The look of devastation, like a kid crushed his dreams. The city came and they said he couldn't put a sign there. And I remember, I never forget that day. The look of complete dejection, because he spent so long renovating the entire building. It was where they had a gun shop. I remember I visited there before it was all renovated. He was so excited like a little kid. And then when he discovered, after all that work, after a year, possibly even more, can put his little sign up there so that people could see to buy his wares. It was like he was shot in the heart. It was kind of the same thing as when he tried to move near me. Oh, he did. And then he wanted like entry into the pool and stuff. I wasn't gonna give him that. We're not allowed to do that and stuff. No way. He had moved in the section where he thought he could gain access and was part of it. It wasn't. I remember Chris's reaction. I could tell from his body language. He didn't say anything. It was like kind of like internal horror. Like you could tell he didn't yell or scream at it, but inside Chris was like, it was like, imagine somebody like got a Ferrari, right? And then you discover he spent all that time spending his whole lifetime getting that Ferrari, and then at the end, when he's about to be handed the key, they suddenly tell him that there's no key, there's no way to start the car. TK didn't react any. I mean, his reaction was nothing really. I mean, there's like, I don't remember his reaction. It was like nothing, like silence. I mean, it's like kind of like he had done so much work, right? I think he was still happy since simply being in the neighborhood there. Maybe he thought he could gain entry in another way. I don't know. But there's no way I'm gonna give him no way. But still, it's a nice area. But yeah, that's it. There's no way. It's all rigged. It's all rigged. The whole system freaking rigged. Insider trading, it's real. The overpop, the whole system I work through, going through the college system, everything, all rigged. This is why nobody knows anything. Why everybody's dumb as. I say everybody, it's not really everybody. It's technically a third of the people are dumb, a third are neutral, a third are smart, and 1% whatever. It's a done deal. I've been through, I've eaten so much different things. I've literally done everything almost, and enough where I get it. And there's only this one small piece I need. puzzle piece. My parents, actually it's two things. It's my parents answering those questions, and then there's a second thing. And that second thing is like what I didn't know, but I kind of discovered a little bit, hinted when I was manager with my technicians that I was managing. Something wasn't matching up. I kind of had an inkling. I mean, it was, but all I needed was verification. So two pieces. That one piece. You know, that one piece is like a piece I may never get. Because it's like with Trump and Elon, there's like a piece, there's a world that you don't know about. You know, and the only way to enter that world is you really gotta enter it. I don't know if I'll ever enter it. I don't know if I'll actually enter it. But regardless, very important. So which one's more important? My parents' puzzle piece or the other one? I think they're equally important. Once I have these two pieces, actually there is a third piece, the Wi-Fi. It seems these people, they don't, okay, here's the thing. You want to diet, right? You want to not get fat, simply don't eat. People don't know that. They're that stupid. They're that dumb. You simply don't eat. And then you grow slim. Yes, I know about the health effects. And simply later down, I mean, are you that stupid? Are you really that stupid? So they don't have the comprehension when they drive, when they do anything. Look at the way they do things online. Look at the way they talk, they speak. You know, a lot of people say it's like a lot of people are saying it's bots and stuff. Could be that, but a lot of it isn't, because I see people really are like that in real life. So yeah, common things you would think they would know, they don't know. They have no idea. They literally, and you can tell by my reactions. Like, it's not like I'm being no hubris, no bias, no nothing. It's actual. You can tell because my tone here is flat and neutral. It means that they really don't know. They really do not know. And to me, it's a discovery because I didn't realize people were not that aware. My father not speaking English, right? He can't speak English. Trump can't read. You know, all this time, you know, Chris can't write. People can't write. They can't read. They don't know how to do common things. So anyway, that's it. So the whole system's rigged. Whole complete system's rigged. They want you as servants, slaves, serfs, to keep you down, to keep feeding into the system for their, you know. So the same thing as the cycle is continuing. The kingdom, the kings and the queens and kings, and then you have the serfs. You have all the servants. You have the people, what they call the peasants. Same exact cycle, and they keep them happy enough where they don't revolt. That's the whole thing. They keep it on that buffer zone. There's a buffer zone. There's that right at that border, the limit, and now I see it. Now I see it very clearly. How? Transport. What's my thing? Who are my sisters and brothers? The people who race. Even the kid next door, the Benito, the guy who was deciding on the film festival selection. He selected my thing, and then he was a teacher for one of their relatives, a girl who does reporting for the Cowboys. So there's a connection from me to them, and they're Mexican. So it's like a family connection, you know, karma effect. 6 degrees. That's cool. But I bring up because he's into most cycles. That's cool. I'm not into the loud thing, but you know, he's cool with it now, at least. Then even James in the corner, he's cool with it now because, you know, I've been sending him messages and he's received it. You can talk to his daughter, is adorable, Victoria. You know, he's got a cool motorcycle thing going. So these are my people. They're my people within this vicinity. Karma effect, 6 degrees. Attractive effect, right? Transport. So, seeing the transport and seeing the max you can get made me see it for the reality it is. Because speed, the flash, A to B, diversity, point A to B, life is movement. If you can't move, you're dead. And that's what's happening. So anyway, That's for scooter and e-bike. You could do e-bike. You could do a lot more, but then it's TomTom maybe stuff with it. I'm not gonna do any TomTom maybe, not necessary. Because it has to be kept like 750 or under or something like that. For scooters, it's kind of different. It's like if it's 750, then you gotta like, well, I won't explain all I know. It's 750. Something like 10 minutes here. So anyway, there's an out. The out is the unicycle. The unicycle is mobility, personal mobility device. So I'm being forced into doing that. That's fine. That's something new. That's cool. There actually is another way. I could simply build it. 750 watt. You can go forever, literally forever. Just adding batteries. I can even take apart what I'm adding. Actually, that's another thing. I could buy. That's right. I could buy the scooter, solid tires. Simply add batteries, but mine does that already. I could simply, but I forget what mileage to this one, but I think it's at 20 mile, about 18 something. But it would be redundant for me to take that apart, and I don't want to. I still want something stable. That's how I still, and plus it's cheaper to simply buy another one of that with the wheels already on it, solid. That one doesn't have solid. And then what I could do is simply buy batteries to add it up to what I want. It's like 100 miles. But that wouldn't be efficient compared to the other options I have. I mean, it's like I could buy a really high capacity of 750, but the way I'm doing it with flat, right, keeping it flat so that it doesn't even go as fast as all that, because you have to keep it below a particular speed limit. But even if the thing can go 90, if you got it flat, it'll max out at about 35 or whatever limit. See, so it's like, yeah, as long as they agree with the way I'm using it. But that's a really very risky thing. I mean, you're already starting at 50% on that, and then you have to convince them to come to your side. That you're like ice skating uphill with that. But it is possible if you're charismatic enough. But for me, there's a better option. So it's unicycle. So two options. First, well, either one's equal. I was at first starting out. I was gonna build it. I decided about maybe 2 months ago. But then as I started doing more research and stuff, I decided on unicycle, and then back and forth the scooters and other options, skates, skateboards, everything. Even roller skating. It's a roller skating, yeah. Transforming the. They have transforming skateboards. You can probably pull on it. Not only that, here's a real cool thing. You can take an existing e-scooter, simply bend down the bar, which it already does, sit down, like the Vega transforms, and you got an automatic sitting down skateboard, e-skateboard. The skateboard comes with a remote, right? But this one with the pole, it's already on there. Right? You don't have to have it separate. I don't even know if it'll run it. I have to ask the AI if it'll run out of battery power. If you keep adding on batteries, because you keep adding on batteries underneath, like squares, right? So I got extra one here, and you keep adding them. Yeah, see? But the remote might run up by time. So you can add a, external battery, fueler, bring it with you if you want, solar power, whatever. But so I looked at all those options, and now it's come back to this is so these are looking at all those. I mean, you could still do them. People have sat down, put chairs on it, and gone really fast with the skateboard, put on a seat. A lot of people do that. I thought that they're doing it, putting through the city. Didn't get a lot of views on that video that they put up, which is, I think YouTube's trying to suppress it so they don't cause people to, again, keeping people as slaves. But to me, since because it's very, it seems like it would be really uncomfortable, the skateboard, right? No cushioning in it. They have cloud wheels, they can call it, but still, it's overall, it's not. I wouldn't even say all out. It's a skateboard. I mean, like, they transform the skateboard into a scooter, right? And now told you a method, you can transform the scooter into a skateboard. So they're literally the same thing, but you get more cushioning with the scooter, and especially with the solid tires, even though they're solid, there's still more cushioning than a skateboard. So they're the same size. So you might as well go with a scooter if you want that option. So you can even hoverboard, what do you call it? Paraglide. There's like it's like a go-kart, and it goes, and you can go for about, I don't know, 10 miles or something, maybe 30 if you stretch it. But that's noisy. So those are my two options. Build the bike to go about 100 miles range, or take the unicycle. Now the unicycle has entered something very different, interesting. A new paradigm has been established within this 3 weeks. About Ryan Chin died. Literally is the my variation, like Marty McFly spoilers, with his what's his name, Eric Stoltz. I got an inkling feeling with that when I heard about the news. I was like, hey, that's like me wanting to race real fast. I did that, not realizing this guy literally was I wouldn't even call it antithesis. He's like my mirror. Not even a mirror. Yeah, kind of like a mirror. Like a brother. So, a new superpower has been born. Quite literally, an entire new tier. I already have superpowers, but naturally, with this, it will augment me. Metallic, iron, combined to, I'd be unstoppable, beyond unstoppable. I mean, I'm already unstoppable. With this, my power would be like infinite. I mean, I become another next level god. These people, they're not neurotypicals. The people who do this kind of thing, they're not normal. They're like, even when the guy's 6 comments down, DMT, same thing on his channel name. They're my people. So, yeah, the war is here. People, they have no money for transport, so they're being pushed against this to do this. So, I could get the most powerful unicycle, cost 5,000. That's an option. So I have 2 options, it looks like, for maximum possibility. But I don't want to die, but it's either that P6 or build my own. So those are 2 options, the maximum options. So I got decided. Anyway, that's it. So we logged it in January 8th, 2026. And discover how truly, accurately, specifically, the world is scammed through transport.